Hi, my name is Sam, and I'm a rising junior at S High School. In Blue Stamp, I'm making a smart mirror. This week, the first week of camp, as you can see, I set up the Raspberry Pi software along with VNC so I can access it on my computer without having to use a monitor. The first thing I did is set up the magic mirror software, which will allow me to display information on a monitor which can be seen through a transparent mirror. Now I had a couple problems installing this magic mirror software, as it took a while, and I originally didn't notice we actually had to change directories to run it. But as I did learn to run the software, I started adding modules that you can see here on the screen. However, as they load in, some of them are the default modules. And my problem was that there was a long list of modules, but I didn't have enough space to put all of these modules. So I came across another module which would actually allow me to make multiple pages of modules as seen here. I have a PGA tournament module, an ESP as it loads in. There's also an ESPN module here which shows sports data for multiple different types of sports using ESPN's AI. Up here I have stocks, the time, weather forecast in New York, and New York Times most current articles. And one of the main challenges I faced this week as I set up the magic mirror was I had trouble configuring the modules onto the magic mirror because it's written in JavaScript, and coding JavaScript on the Raspberry Pi is extremely hard to debug because I kept running into problems. Oh, here's the ESPN software now. However, I'm excited for next week, in which I will be able to add more modifications and hopefully see this project take a more final form.